We are burning furnace oil of density 0.935.
Very palace is the sir.
Huh?
Very palace is the sir.
This side is new. That side is sold. That one is sold. New nalla irudilla.
Furnace oil and the cloth la varudhu pathீங்களா cloth la choke ஆகி வருது பாத்தீங்களா அதுதான் எரியுது
Record பண்றேன் சார். This recording video. Smoke less கம்மியா இருக்கு பாருங்க. Smoke is less.
இதுல
ரெண்டுதுலயுமே smoke கம்மியா இருக்கு.
சல்ஃபர் கண்டென்ட் கம்மி இல்ல.
ஆமா. Recording. Whatever we speak will come. Because of less sulfur content, the smoke is very less. That is a very main advantage of this oil. You want to tell about oil?
International standard sir. Sulfur content less.
Sulfur content is international standard.
Less than 1%. Whereas IOCL has 4%. Corrosion will not be formed in
Because here less water content. You see, there is no bubbles coming out of the oil, and sludge is also very less. If sludge is more, you will have more smoke.
What if you are burning in the cloth?
That is burning in the cloth. Oil is burning on the cloth.
Little quantity is burning long time.
The consumption is also very less because combustion ratio is more. Combustion is very high, about 11,000 kilocalories. In most cases, preheating is not required. In very cold places, you may require preheating.